Roll down on the spine corrector. So you're going to start with your client facing away from the arc. They're sitting on the seat. Hands are going to go behind their head. Sitting up super tall, feeling their ribs pressed back and into their spine. Inhale. Exhale, they're going to tuck their pelvis under, start to roll down one vertebrae at a time into the arc. This is the wonderful part. You get to release your head, neck, and shoulders. I like to always support my client's head just in case if they don't have that cervical arch. And then tuck your chin into your chest. Start to round, feeling the ribs come down toward the hips as you round into a ball. Bringing the nose between the legs. And then stacking the spine as if there was an imaginary line or wall behind you. Inhale. Exhale, rolling back one vertebrae at a time, finding that spinal articulation, using the abdominals, letting the head go, letting this all stretch out, letting the pecs open up. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, curling like a tiny little ball as you round forward, bringing the knees between, or the head between the knees, and then stacking the spine. One more like that. Finding your roll down. Exhale, peeling through the abdominals, finding that spinal articulation, getting this wonderful stretch. Maybe letting your client go a little further now that they're warmed up. And then tuck your chin into your chest. Rounding forward, nose goes between the knees as you coil forward. And then think of a wall behind you as you stack your spine, sitting up super tall, finding that length. Awesome work, Neil. Beautiful. Always have that little bit of support behind their head. You don't want them to go into huge hyperextension, having that avoidance. Great work.